Hi, today I will show you how you can create your account on UiPath and continue with the UiPath Studio. So first thing which you require, you need to create the account here. So just go to the UiPath website and click on the sign up. So here it's asking for your email. So once you will enter your email and click on the create account, it will continue with the steps which is required for to create your account. Okay, so once your account is created, what you need to do, you just need to do login. Okay, and after login you will see this type of home page. In case this home page is not visible to you, you just need to click on the home navigation here. Okay, and after that this page will be available. So here you need to click on the download center, and here you can see a studio assistant and robot. This is available here for the download. So just click on the download, and the download has been started now. So once your download is completed, you can see a UiPath Studio community MSI is available here. You need to click on this and continue with the installation. So the steps are very simple. You don't need to be much, you don't need to be worried about this. So let me show you. So you can see a quick for the community user, and the second is the custom for enterprise and the advanced users. So you need to click on the quick for the community user. Just accept the invitation and click on the install button. So it might take 2 to 3 minutes, so let's wait for that. So now you can see a pop-up is coming. If you want to continue installing the UiPath extension for Chrome, please close all your Chrome process, then click on OK. Okay, so let's close it. Chrome browser is still running. Do you want to force close them? Yes. If you want to continue installing the UiPath extension for the Edge, please close all your Edge process, then click on OK. Let's cancel for this. If you require this for Edge also, you can continue with this. Otherwise, I'm just installing it for the Google Chrome. So the studio installation has been completed. So just click on launch UiPath Studio. So here you don't need to do anything. You are already signed in on the browser. Okay, you just need to click on the sign in here. This is okay. So that's all which you need to be do. And one more thing, if I will go here and go to the extension, manage extension. So you can see right now UiPath browser automation, this is, so just enable it. Congratulations, you are now UiPath Studio available on your machine. So dismiss tutorial, let's dismiss it for now. To test it, what you need to be do, uh, just click on the new project and start with the process. Okay, so this is the most, see here, robotic enterprise framework, RE framework. This is the most common framework which every of the organization is using whenever they need any process to automate. Okay, so either you can click on the robotic enterprise framework or the process if you don't want a lengthy framework to test it. Okay, so let me create a first. So I'm creating a first process here, and we will just check that all things are working or not. Okay, just try to run a UiPath assistant here with the studio. So this is the first time after studio installation we are creating a process, a project. So it's taking a little time. It is installing the packages basically for every of the project, studio project which we will create. It have the dependency on some basic packages. Okay, so it installing them. You can see here the dependencies: Excel, system, UiPath automation, testing activity. So these are something which is commonly used. Okay, so here you can see this is the framework which we have. Okay, so I'm not going with the framework right now. I just want to show you how to check that your studio, your robot, your UiPath assistant, that is working fine or not. So just click on a sequence, create a sequence here, demo sequence, and click on the create. So here you can choose any of the activities. So for now I'm just choosing message box. So just select a message box from here and put here, drag and drop, and write hello world. Okay, so that's all you need to do for now. And here you need to click on the, you need to run this demo sequence. So what you need to do, just click on this play button, and here you can see there are three options is available. One is the run file, one is the debug, and one is the run. If you will click on the run, the complete project is going to run. Okay, and there is a debug, and this is the run file. Okay, so our focus is on to run this current file demo sequence. So I'm just clicking on this run file, and what it will do, it will run the current file, and if all goes good, then it will click yeah. So hello world is available. Okay, so that is how you can start working with that. In the next video, I will continue with the further steps, like what is the RE framework, what are the activities, basically the most common activities which we require if we want to start with the UiPath.